Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Deye hybrid inverter integration with EV charging, full guide step by. To begin, ensure you have all necessary tools and equipment ready. Turn off the power supply to ensure safety during installation. Gather your Deye hybrid inverter and the EV charger. Refer to the user manuals for both the inverter and the EV charger for model-specific instructions. Identify the installation location for the inverter and the EV charger. Ensure that the selected location has proper ventilation and is protected from environmental factors. Mount the Deye hybrid inverter on the wall according to the specifications in the manual. Connect the inverter to your home's electrical system, following the wiring diagram provided. Use appropriate gauge wires to ensure optimal performance. Connect the DC input from the solar panels to the inverter. Next, connect the AC output from the inverter to your home's distribution board. Now, focus on the EV charger installation. Mount the EV charger on a suitable wall, ensuring it is easily accessible. Run the power cable from the inverter to the EV charger, following all local electrical codes. Connect the live, neutral, and ground wires according to the charger's installation guide. Before proceeding, double-check all connections for accuracy. Power on the Deye hybrid inverter and check for error messages on the display. Ensure the inverter is configured to operate in hybrid mode. Access the inverter's settings through the display or via a mobile app if available. Locate the EV charging options within the settings menu. Set the preferred charging current according to your EV requirements. Ensure the time of use settings is configured to avoid peak energy rates if applicable. Save your settings and monitor the system performance for a few charging cycles. Confirm that the EV charger is operational and compatible with your electric vehicle. Perform a test charging session to ensure everything is working optimally. If necessary, adjust the charging settings for efficiency. Regularly monitor the system for any updates or potential maintenance needs. Document your installation process and settings for future reference. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.